It's day 4 into our BC trip to find abandoned gold mines and old gold rush towns. We found our camp spot early today to drop Steve's trailer and get out and explore.
Holy tree.
What better place to stop than the confluence of 3 different rivers? While we were waiting for food to cook, I showed Steve my drone. What ensued was the most comical version of tag I have ever seen. Does it join before or after that bus, do you think?
Don't know. It's only like maybe 200 meters at most ahead.
Well, it has power outlets on the outside here.
Yeah, and it was set up for propane.
Oh, look at that, like a generator skid right in it.
Yeah, small block. Belt driven off a torque converter. So there was probably something sitting on the back here,
Yeah.
and this was our power. The drive shaft's gone to the rear wheels. So I think, yeah, they drove it in here or pushed it in here, and this was our generator.
2-barrel.
Yeah, distributor's gone.
We headed to our first mine site and found a road that took us directly to the bottom. Apparently it opened in 1892.
Look down over here though. That's the old road, but you can see that's where they were doing more mining.
Down here?
Yeah, see the wall? It almost looks to the left as though they were in here with the cannons too.
Oh yeah, it is a long way down, isn't it?
This isn't the one to the river. The one to the river is the left of where you start going up here. This joins in with the one we were on.
Okay.
Just like in the previous video, they did their mining by shooting water cannons at the mountainside and washing it into sluice boxes. We didn't go see the whole thing, but it was 3 kilometers long, 1,000 feet wide, and 400 feet deep. A number of lakes and streams were diverted through 23 miles of hand-dug ditches and aqueducts to supply this mine. It took 2 years to get that water system ready. There's still some water flowing through the ancient aqueduct system and blocking our way to go farther, so we turned around and headed back out to see more. Back up top, they had a couple restored water cannons, as well as some old tooling used to make the pipes and cannons.
When they cool, they shrink, right?
The level of craftsmanship and amount of work that they would have had to perform to make these pieces was amazing. There were a couple old excavators on display. The first one harkens back to the days before hydraulics, when everything was run by chains and cables. The other is probably from the early 80s. We had to get a picture of Barb by the bucket just to get a sense of their sheer size for the times. On the way out, I noticed the sign was actually a bulldozer blade, but it's not that old considering the size.
Oh my, stop, you gotta stop. They're so cute. Do you want to get in, guys? Did you think they were cute?
No.
I asked him if he thought the cows were cute. And he said, no, I see rib steaks.
And delicious one.
bit of rapid there.
Oh, yeah. Do you think that's giant hogweed?
Yep.
Wow. Well, there's a lot of it. Bathtub.
$6 in annual taxes to live here.
And they probably have like 12 kids in here, right?
Wow.
Imagine growing up in these riverside houses. It would embody a simpler life, full of hard work and close to nature's rhythm.
What a size of a tree.
Yeah, the craftsmanship on these is unreal. It's like dovetailed. So there's no way this is coming out because it's on a slope. And it's been cut that way. And then the next one is cut the opposite direction. That's just insane. How accurate they were with just hand tools. Probably axes back then. And that's it.
There's a lot of shit.
That's a fast-growing river.
Yeah. This is like a cellar that they built into the ground.
You can go first.
No.
There's a big web there.
No, there isn't. I was just in there, so
Okay,
just duck a little bit.
Knock it down.
Oh, and this is grounded. You can see it's kind of coming through, so it's hard to say what they used to weatherproof it.
Say about the young purchase bride.
Where?
Oh, I'll never get them on this.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I think mud, moss.
You're evil.
She's coming to beat you.
I'm really jumpy.
And just like that, the day comes to a close. We saw so many cool things today that it's making me consider giving gold mining a try. As the sun sets, we enjoy our last fire for now. You just want people to see that you're actually working?
No.
Tomorrow at noon there's a province-wide fire ban, but at least the exploration and adventure will continue. Stay tuned in part 3 for our continuing adventure, where we find snow, a collapsed mine shaft with narrow gauge rail, and oh, the bugs we find. Click the bell to make sure you don't miss that next episode.